Whirlpool Stain Wash Deep Clean is the best top-loading machine for stain removal while giving highest fabric care performance. Its Sixth Sense Deep Clean process combines mechanical and chemical action to get rid of 10 of the toughest stains. 6 different motions of the Agipeller, 3D scrubbing action of the unique scrub pads, and the gentle massaging of the spa drum removes even the most stubborn stains. Stain Wash has the unique ZPF technology that fills the tub 50% faster, even under very low incoming water pressure. Hard water wash technology adapts the washing process, soaking time, and suggests detergent dosage to give you 30% better wash in hard water. And gives you soft, bright clothes.
Whirlpool, designed to delight.